Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kini gilong kijing penbenang, nagaliang katanan kakot kakya, kabay day bat u COVID-19, menta kasi arpo arterik, u August arhajar arpo, hadu si baje mensengi. Kikis ki batamai, ki bangiyo menta kasi gilong kendai pulai, nagini kendai pulai, hapo East Castles kidon ndrew arhuai gidai naki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, South Sun naki Wei, West Garo Hills Kendai, South napo ki BSF, Sun naki Wei, Ribhoi R, West Khasi Hills Shipho, North Garo Hills R, East Janda Hills South. But case ki balang aktif hado mentagasi si baje gilong si hajar lai pusan nakini si hajar lai pusan ndruspa ndrupuan kidei hapo East Castles but nakini ndruspa ndrupuan aspa saufulai kidei napo Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces nakiwei South Park kat Kendai, West Khasi Hills Arpupra, Southwest Khasi Hills Iway, Ribhoi Kendai Pulai, West Janta Hills Lai, East Janta Hills Khatar, West Garo Hills Aspa Hatsan, Southwest Garo Hills South, South Garo Hills R, East Garo Hills Lai, North Garo Hills Khatar. Kiba la recover menta kasi kilong arho pada kini ki arho khatsan ki de napo West Garo Hills pada kini khatsan khatar ki de ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces lai ki de giwe Ribhoi Iway, West Janta Hills Iway, East Khasi Hills lai Iway naki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces bakar naki giwe Ibari kabar barkhot hado menta kilong news pa ndrip handai bat ki khalat no kilong new ites ki bangi pha hado menta kasi ar baje miski kilong new fu ar hajar South pa khandai bat ki ba test negative kilong new fu hajar khat khandai ki result ki test report ki bangidang up hado menta kasi ar baje ki long kumba sanspa nyau khandai te but ki breu ki barung spo kajalla ki tung hado ar baje mensi menne ki long life ho hajar san ki break up jong kini ki case khandai pulai no kilong bumi East Khasi Hills ndrew nakini ki ndrew arhuai gide nak category Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces Shipho kide ki random sampling ki bangiyo na potliyo Kendai random sampling hapo Motfan Kendai random sampling hapo Anjali Iway random sampling hapo Police Bazaar laingot kidai ki returning R kidai ki influenza like illnesses ki report ki hospital Pra kidai ki contact na ki positive case ki bopher Iway ide ibatray hapo Pulo Collection Center COVID-19 West Garo Hills Kendai South ide na category Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces Lai Fulbari random testing R kidai ki returnees Riboy R kidai ki returnees West Khasi Hills Shipho kidai ki napo Shalang random testing center North Garo Hills R kidai ki influenza like illnesses ILI West Janta Hills South R kidai ki returnees R kidai ki high risk contact yang iway na ki positive case ki barang nangtay dan iway ibaklat no minne min apo civil hospital Shillong they refer na po Woodland Hospital maka detail dan ibaklat no minne min they Ram Bashan Rai Sant Prasna Mugarta Sendrang Napo Jalupara Cantonment Admit Hapo Civil Hospital Hakatway Terek U August Arhajar Arko Idei Bala refer Napo Woodland Hospital Iklat no Haka Arkway Terek U August Arhajar Arko Hakapo Shipho South Sun Min Mir Kadao trong kajing klat yung gaday acute respiratory distress syndrome due to COVID-19. Idan ru kiway kajing pang comorbidities kita kiday diabetes mellitus but hypertension high blood pressure.